Hello and welcome to our channel Technical Pro, the best of technology right here. Here in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a certificate using Canva. We are using a Canva website for this, and first of all, I will search for the certificate, and there are so many options for certificate. Just choose the one you need, and we will search for the template. Let's find the template first. Okay, so I've got the template here. It looks pretty good actually, but we will change its color and we will import our logo also here. I'm going to create a certificate for next level promotion. I'm not going to change any of the text here, just the design of this template actually. Okay, so here is the logo of next level promotion. I'm going to crop it. Okay, it's done. I'm going to place it at the top of my certificate. Yes, it looks good actually. Yes, it's done. Now I'm going to change the position of my text a little bit down. This is the certificate of appreciation actually, and just resizing my logo so it will look good. Now for the template color, I'm going to use color according to my logo. And you see in Canva, the images you have used, it will show color according to your image. So it's quite easy to change the color according to your logo, according to your brand. For purple, I'm going to use a lighter shade here. Yes. And I'm not going to make any more changes in it. I'm just going to rename it to NLP, that is the short form for next level promotion, and I will like certificate so that next time when I open Canva, I can find my template here with the name that clearly says it's certificate. And you see, you don't have to save every time. The Canva auto saves your design, and I'm going to download it in the PNG format, and it's downloaded. You can use any format you want. For example, if you want to print your certificate, you can use a PDF print format also. So yeah, it's downloaded. Let's see, and our certificate is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.